Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at apartment number 9 here at Lisa Court in Tankerton. Now, this property offers 2 double bedrooms, a lounge diner with west-facing balcony, separate kitchen and a garage en bloc, and then also to note that this property does include a share of the freehold, so that is absolutely fantastic. Now, coming straight through into the main entrance hallway space, we're going to take a right-hand turn and go straight through into the kitchen. Now, the kitchen offers plenty of worktop space, plenty of storage, and a beautiful view out from the window there as well, letting all of that natural light flood through. And in the kitchen you can see that you've got the plumbing for your white goods as well, and the gas-fired hob top. Coming back out into the hallway, we're going to take a left-hand turn now and go through and take a look at the lounge. You can see here you've got the lounge access to the west-facing balcony again, which is a huge addition to the property, and you've got plenty of space to work with in here, plenty of room for lounge furniture, and again that access out onto your west-facing balcony does give you that extra little bit of outdoor space. Now, with this property you are centrally located, so it's perfect for access into the town and the shops, and then of course on to the seafront. Coming across the hallway, we're going to go through and take a quick look now at the main bath and shower room. You can see that we've got the loo and sink straight ahead of us, with the bath and shower on the right hand side. Now it's time to go through and take a look at the 2 bedrooms that we've got here with this one. First one, wonderful double-sized room, plenty of storage space, a little bit of fitted on the right hand side, and again lots of light coming through from the window. And then bedroom number 2, again another wonderful double-sized room, this time again with lots and lots of natural light flooding through, and not only plenty of space for the double bed but also some storage there as well. So we're going to head out to the rear of the property. We're going to go through and take a look at the garage en bloc and the parking situation again with this property, and then of course we'll recap a few points as well. So here at apartment number 9 Lisa Court, this is a purpose-built first floor apartment giving you 2 double bedrooms, the lounge diner with the westerly facing balcony, separate kitchen, and of course the garage en bloc and share of freehold. So I really hope you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today. No doubt you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.